thunderstorm warning for eastern Dakota County, southern Washington County, west central Pierce County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rosemount, or 13 miles south of St. Paul, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hastings around 5:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Prescott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, and Washington, and Pierce, Wisconsin,